Available Side Bicyclist Alert helps detect moving bicyclists in your blind spots and alerts you if it's unsafe to change lanes or open doors. It uses sensors in the rear corners of the vehicle to detect moving bicyclists in your side blind zones. When a bicyclist is detected, an amber alert icon will display in the side view mirror on the same side as the bicyclist. If your turn signal is activated in their direction, the alert icon will flash and you'll hear a warning chime or feel a safety alert seat pulse. Bicyclist detection is available when the vehicle is in drive, park, and for a short time after the vehicle is turned off. In this case, you'll also see an alert on your driver information center if an object has been detected. You can turn this feature off in the settings menu from your center display. Visit Cadillac.com/support for more information.